Here is your bag.
ဒီမှာမင်းရဲ့အိတ်ပါ
Here is your bag. Here is your bag. Let me go with you.
ငါ့ကိုမင်းနဲ့တော်ခွင့်ပြုပါ
Let me go with you. Let me go with you. There is no other way.
အခြားနည်းလမ်းမရှိဘူး
There is no other way. There is no other way. What did you learn?
မင်းဘာသင်ယူလေ့လာခဲ့တာလဲ
What did you learn? What did you learn? How long will it take?
အဲ့ဒါဘလောက်အချိန်ကြာမလဲ
How long will it take? How long will it take? I came back.
ကျွန်တော်ပြန်လာခဲ့တယ်
I came back. I came back. I will be alone. I will be alone. I will be alone. This is not important.
ဒါအရေးမကြီးဘူး
This is not important. This is not important. I am so thirsty.
ငါအရန်ရေစာတယ်
I am so thirsty. I am so thirsty. Nothing changed.
ဘာမှမပြောင်းသွားဘူး
Nothing changed. Nothing changed. Spring is coming.
ຫນွေဦးအချိန်ရောက်တော့မယ်
Spring is coming. Spring is coming. I don't like this.
ကျွန်တော်ဒါကိုမကြိုက်ဘူး
I don't like this. I don't like this. I love her so much.
ငါသူမကိုအရန်ရှစ်တယ်
I love her so much. I love her so much. Everyone saw it.
လူတိုင်းကအဲ့ဒါကိုမြင်တွေ့ခဲ့ကြတယ်
Everyone saw it. Everyone saw it. Is this your phone?
ဒါမင်းဖုန်းလား
Is this your phone? Is this your phone? I have a daughter.
ငါမှသမီးတစ်ယောက်ရှိတယ်
I have a daughter. I have a daughter. Who ate my food?
ငါအစားအစာကိုဘယ်သူစားလိုက်တာလဲ
Who ate my food? Who ate my food? What did you choose?
မင်းဘာကိုရွေးချယ်ခဲ့လဲ
What did you choose? What did you choose? What did you cook?
မင်းဘာချက်ပြုတ်ခဲ့လဲ
What did you cook? What did you cook? I choose what I buy carefully.
ငါသေချာရွေးပြီးဝယ်တာ
I choose what I buy carefully. I choose what I buy carefully. I will let you choose.
ငါမင်းကိုရွေးချယ်ခွင့်ပေးမယ်
I will let you choose. I will let you choose. Then what?
ပြီးတော့ဗာလဲ
Then what? Then what? It's just wrong.
မှားသွားခဲ့တယ်
It's just wrong. It's just wrong. It will be wonderful.
အဲ့ဒါပြောစရာကောင်းမှာပါ
It will be wonderful. It will be wonderful. This is mine.
ဒါကကျွန်တော်ဟာ
This is mine. This is mine. He eats too fast.
သူစားတာအယမ်းမြန်တယ်
He eats too fast. He eats too fast. You coming?
မင်းလာနေပြီလား
Are you coming? Are you coming? Who is there?
အဲ့ဒီမှာဘသူရှိလဲ
Who is there? Who is there? Are you there?
မင်းအဲ့ဒီမှာလား
Are you there? Are you there? Wait outside.
အပြင်မှာစောင့်ပါ
Wait outside. Wait outside. Are you inside?
မင်းအထဲမှာလား
Are you inside? Are you inside? Will you go by train?
မင်းယထာနဲ့သွားမလား
Will you go by train? Will you go by train? Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? Why do you ask?
မင်းဘာလို့မေးတာလဲ
Why do you ask? Why do you ask? This is a new phone.
ဒါကဖုန်းသစ်တစ်လုံးလေ
This is a new phone. This is a new phone. Can you drive a car?
မင်းကားမောင်းနိုင်မလား
Can you drive a car? Can you drive a car? Who broke the vase?
ပန်းအုပ်ကိုဘသူခွဲသွားခဲ့တာလဲ
Who broke the vase? Who broke the vase? Are you a doctor?
မင်းကဆရာဝန်တစ်ယောက်လား
Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Can I eat this?
ငါဒါကိုစားလို့ရမလား
Can I eat this? Can I eat this? I ate eggs.
ငါကြက်ဥတွေစားခဲ့တယ်
I ate eggs. I ate eggs. Do you have time?
မင်းအချိန်ရလား
Do you have time? Do you have time? Will you join our club?
မင်းငါတို့ကလပ်ကို join မလား
Will you join our club? Will you join our club? Was the movie good?
ဇာတ်ကားကောင်းရဲ့လား
Was the movie good? Was the movie good?